So Americans are getting fatter. That's just the reality. The number of Americans that are classified as being overweight or obese has increased dramatically since the 1950s. Now, it has leveled off in recent years, but it's still incredibly high that 1/3 of the populace is overweight or is obese. So one of the policy goals of the United States is to think of ways to reduce obesity through government interaction or intervention. So one way that you see that is many people identify as soft drinks, soda, pop, as one of the causes of obesity. They say that Americans are drinking too much soda, and therefore if we reduce the quantity, we can actually reduce obesity. So taxes are one way to reduce the quantity. So here, if we were to look at our equilibrium, here is our Q star. We want to make that smaller. So what a tax does is it sets a price that the consumers have to pay, and it sets a price, or so this is, we'll call this buyers, and a different price for the sellers. So when I go buy my soda, I might pay $2 or $3 for that soda, but the merchant might only receive $1. And why is there a difference in price? Well, this difference here, the difference between 3 and 1, is the size of the tax. In this case, it's $2. So while I, as a consumer, pay $3 for a soda, the merchant only receives $1, the government gets $2. And the goal of that, or the reason they do that, is because that's going to reduce the quantity. So even though I'm paying $3, normally if you pay $3, you'd be extended out here, and here would be your quantity supplied. But because the merchant doesn't receive those $3, they only receive $1, we're to the left of our equilibrium quantity. And so a soda tax can be an effective way to reduce quantity.